Hello and welcome to Unit 3, Interactive Learning, Writing Multiplication Stories. Our essential question that we'll think about throughout this lesson is how can you write a story to describe a multiplication fact? Setting the purpose. You have already learned how to use multiplication to solve problems. Today, you will learn how to write different stories for multiplication facts. How can you write a multiplication story about the multiplication fact 4 times 5? To begin, the first step is we need to ask what kind of story will you write? And in this story, we will write a multiplication story. Step 2. What do we know about the objects in your story? We know that we will have to put these objects into equal groups for a multiplication story. Step 3. How many groups and objects will there be? Knowing our multiplication fact 4 times 5, we know that we will have to have 4 groups with 5 objects in each row. So to create a story, we decided to create a character named George who has 4 shelves for his books. He puts 5 books on each shelf. How many books does George have in all? Our multiplication fact says 4 times 5, or 4 shelves times 5 books on each shelf, equals 20. So, George has 20 books in all. That concludes our writing multiplication stories.